One thing that was very important to me when I started Neversink was that it was pretty. I certainly wanted the farm to be productive and profitable, but I live here and I'm going to work here every day. It being pretty and not just wall-to-wall vegetables and mud roads and garbage laying around, piles of old plastic or something. I wanted it to be laid out in a way that was beautiful and had an aesthetic quality to it. And one of the first things we did was my wife grows flowers for the markets, not a lot. We do maybe 2,000 square feet of flowers. We put that right up front, right in front of the barn. We put the flower field. There are herbs in here as well. We mix them together, right? We have chives here, and then these are cut flowers, and then sage and winter savory and mint. And it was just important for this to be the first thing you see with, the perennial beds where we have all the flowers. And it was also where we put our store. When we had a store, the store was right in front of the flower field. And if we do another store, we want to put it actually right in the center of the flower field. But this is just one aspect of the design of the farm, of making it pretty. It may not make sense to invest in, a gravel path, but for us it was important. So any path that turned muddy, we would make sure we would put gravel down. We would square off our corners. And when something needed to be round, like, if we wanted a round fence and thought it looked good, we would put in a round fence. Even though a corner makes maybe more sense, but I thought aesthetically it was nice to have some round parts in it. And placing trees in certain spots that looked pretty. Why not? Why not have a pretty farm if I'm going to be here all the time and going to live here?